Friend, someone once said, when your voice is loud, a few people may listen, but when your words have meaning, the whole world listens. Welcome to the Power of Change YouTube channel. Today I'll share a story, not just to inspire you, but to awaken something within you. There was once a young man, just 24 years old. He worked for a rich merchant. His parents had passed away and life was anything but easy. Each day was the same. Wake up, go to work, earn a few coins, return home, cook, eat, and sleep. That's it. Nothing exciting, nothing new. One day as he walked home, he saw an old frail fakir struggling with 3 large bags on his back. The old man looked completely exhausted and eventually sat under a tree, unable to continue. Just then the young man crossed his path. The fakir looked up and gently asked, "Son, could you help me carry one of these bags to the next village? I'm too old, too tired, and the weight is too much. I'll give you 3 gold coins." The boy replied, "You don't have to give me anything, Baba. I'll help you anyway." He lifted the first bag and immediately felt how heavy it was. Still, without complaint, he began walking beside the fakir. After a while, he asked, "What's inside this bag?" The fakir said, "Just some copper coins." The boy thought, maybe he's a traitor. That would explain the weight. But he let the thought go. "I'm just helping, that's all." They kept walking until they reached a wide river. The boy, strong and agile, stepped into the water, but the fakir stopped at the edge. "What's wrong, Baba?" the boy asked. The old man replied, "Son, I cannot carry 2 bags across. I'm too old. If I fall, it could end badly. Would you carry another bag for me? I'll give you 3 more gold coins." The boy smiled. "Even if you gave me nothing, I'd still help." He picked up the second bag. It felt even heavier. They crossed the river, and once on the other side, the boy asked, "What's in this one?" "Silver coins," the fakir replied. Now the boy's mind started to wonder. First copper, now silver. Maybe he's a wealthy man who sold everything and is carrying his fortune himself. Still, he said nothing. As they walked further, the road grew quieter, more deserted. The boy's thoughts grew darker. There's no one around. What if I just run with these bags? The old man won't catch me. But immediately he scolded himself. No, I can't do this to him. He tried to silence the thought, but the temptation didn't stay silent for long. Eventually, they reached the foot of a steep hill. The fakir turned to him and said, "Son, I can't climb this. My knees hurt badly. If you carry the 3rd bag too, I'll give you 3 more gold coins, but be careful. Don't drop it and don't open it." "What's inside me?" the boy asked. "Gold coins," the fakir whispered. The boy's heart skipped a beat. Gold! He took the 3rd bag without hesitation. Now the fakir walked freely, but the young man struggled under the full weight, and yet his imagination soared. "I'll open a shop. I'll have a great life. No more pain, no more poverty." Then a new thought hit him. Wait, what if the fakir is a thief? How else would he carry so much wealth alone and on foot? His mind quickly justified it. If he stole the money, then stealing from him isn't wrong, right? He picked up speed. Step by step, he moved ahead of the fakir. As they reached the hilltop and the downhill path appeared, he ran, bags bouncing on his back. Heart racing, he ran all the way home. He was overjoyed. "I did it! I'm free! And rich!" He dropped to the floor and opened the first bag. Rusted iron coins. Shocked, he tore open the second bag. More rusted iron. He ripped open the third, still just rusted metal. At the bottom of the last bag was a letter. This was all a test. I am the king of this land. I have no heir. So I disguised myself to search for one honest man, someone worthy of ruling after me. You had your chance, and you failed. The boy sat down, held his head in shame. If only I had controlled my thoughts, I could have been king. My life could have changed forever. Friends, the Buddha once said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. No enemy can destroy you the way your own uncontrolled mind can. Our thoughts become words. Words become actions. Actions become habits. And habits shape our destiny. Buddha gave us two paths to master the mind. First, develop right intention. Before any action, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Is it to harm or to help? Is it out of fear or love? When your intentions are pure, your life becomes peaceful. Second, practice awareness. Don't fight your thoughts. Don't suppress them. Just observe them without judgment. Watch your anger, your fear, your greed. Let them come. Let them go. Like clouds in the sky, they pass, and your mind becomes clear. As Buddha said, the one who watches his own mind is the greatest monk. So if you want peace, strength, and freedom, start by watching your thoughts. If this story touched your heart, do like, share, and subscribe to Power of Change. We'll meet again with another story that opens your mind. Until then, take care of your thoughts.